Most forms of transport are powered by fossil fuels. Should we really continue to drive around in gas-guzzling cars when a smaller one would do just as well? Lower speed limits also cut emissions, as does smoother driving, anticipating the road ahead and choosing the correct gear. Governments have increased tax on fuel to persuade motorists to use less fuel. Biofuels such as ethanol, biodiesel or straight vegetable oil are increasingly being used as a transport fuel. Engines can even run on recycled vegetable oil, which is why sometimes passing vehicles smell a bit like a fish and chip shop.
The more we look at biofuels, the more problems we identify. They're grown on land which should be used to grow food, so the price of food is rising globally. Studies show that sometimes they can use more energy than they actually generate, and also they can destroy rainforests and other important wildlife areas to produce fuels like palm oil, and that is extremely harmful.
Another solution might be to drive hybrid cars, which use both electric motors and petrol engines, or electric vehicles, which can be charged when electrical demand is low.
The best way to address the problem of carbon emissions from transport is not to develop biofuels, but to improve fuel efficiency so that vehicles run far further on less fuel.
But, of course, no single technology will allow us to continue using the 30 million cars on the UK's roads today. So what should we do?